So in this short video, I'm going to show you guys my volatility 75 index trading strategy. I'm going to show you step by step from how I analyze the markets, how I enter the trades, and most importantly, how to exit the trades. Exits are far more important than the entries. So I'm also going to show you guys real life trades, real life trade examples. I don't want to just come and show you that you could have made money here, you could have made money here. I'm going to explain everything in full. I want to make this video short as it can be. So first of all, I want to show you the real life trades, like example that I took. If you go here, this is my Telegram channel. I sent this signal. I said buy at 37.2803.96. The first take profit, because I've put two take profits here. The first take profit was 39.02.27, and the second one was 41.58.51. So this trade, I sent it in the group for free. I sent it on 24 June. You can see it right here. So if you go to my MetaTrader, you're going to see the same thing. All right. So this is my group. You can also see this is the signal here. All right. This is the signal that was sent. Because I don't want to just come and show you guys that you could have made money, you could have done this. I want to show you exactly the real trade that I sent right here. So this is my MetaTrader 5. This is the trading system that I'm using. So this is my personal trading system that I personally developed. So if you want this trading system, first like my video, give some great comments there, and contact me. I'll put my email address on the screen. So this is the buy signal. The buy signal came right here when this green box formed. That is why this is how to analyze the market. When you get a green box, it simply means buy. So you do not need to have any conflicting thoughts when you are trading, like wanting to have more confirmations and all that. I just simply follow the trading system. I don't need a lot of indicators to make a consistent profits. I just use one indicator when I'm trading volatility 75 index. So if you go right here, this is a buy signal that was here. All right. So once you get your buy signal, it's time to buy. All right. So you see that this trade, it actually went on. Our first take profit was hit. I think it was somewhere around let's just quickly check. The first take profit was 39.02.27. 39.02.27. If you go here, you're going to see this 39.02 39.02.27. 39.02. Okay, I'm having a problem to find this, but it was just around here on this resistance here. What I normally like to do is to put my take profit on the previous support or a resistance, or previous highs or lows. So in this case, it was just around here. So you can see that the trade moved from down here. On the first day, it moved about 4% into profit, and then it kept on going. The following day, it hit our take profit, our first take profit, which was 4.8% gain. So you can see that the trade is still in the right direction. It's still in positive, right? It even went up to 10% gain. All right. So for me, with this trade, at some point I saw it around 3,000 something in profit, but I didn't close. As you can see right here, down here, it's still in profit. All right. And I've also taken now a sell trade to lock that profit. Since I was making a video, I didn't want to disturb. I just opened the same volume, because I used the 0.1 to buy. So here I just opened a same volume, which is 0.1 to sell. The reason why I'm selling right now, it's because if you go to other time frames or other signals, like other settings, because this system you can use it from M1, M5. You can use it in any time frame from M1 to even daily. All right, so if you are one of those who like to scalp, you can use the short term, like shorter time frames like M1, M2, M5, M15, or all that. You can also use it on bigger time frames, like I'm saying H1 30 minutes, H4 daily, and all that. So you can also change the settings. All right, but I'll get into detail. If you happen to get this trading system from me, I'll give you everything that you need, like the tutorials, how to change the settings, and how to use it. It's very simple. It's just a matter of putting a number, and then it shows you how to calculate the new box. So with that being said, you can also see here, this is a sell signal right here. All right, so which is why I'm supposed to exit this trade here. You can also use it on H8. You see here, this was a buy signal, that one here, and our take profit was just about to get hit, and then it turned back. All right, so this trading system comes with the tutorials, how to use it, how to enter, how to exit, and all that. It also shows you how to do the settings, how to change the settings. And this trading system, you can set it to send you email alerts when the signal is generated or when a new box form. It can also send you audio alerts on your MetaTrader. It can also send you those pop-up alerts. So this is a powerful trading system, guys. So if you want to have the trading system, or you think this is very easy to use, I want you guys to like this video, comment on this video, and then contact me as well. So if you like the video, it's going to help me grow this channel, help me rank also a bit higher, so that most of the traders can also get this help. So thank you for watching this video, guys, but don't forget to like my video and positive comments. If you think this is very easy to use, contact me. I'll put my email address on the screen. This is how simple it is, how to trade volatility 75 index. So you can see that even on H8 you get this is a non-repainting system. So if you get any box, it means it's not going to change the color. For example, you see here, this was a sell trade right here, and it quickly turned, it went in the opposite direction. It did not change that this was this was red, now it has to be green. All right, if it fails, like in this case also, this was a buy signal, it didn't go our way, but it turned and went back right down. All right, so it did not change the color, it kept on going, all right, with a new signal. So it's far much easier to also go back and try to see the previous trading opportunities that were there. So I'm going to show you guys how you can also make money from this sideways market like this one. It looks like it's a bit sideways, but if you follow this and you know how volatility index work, you know that this is a lot of money to be made, because this signal here generated at least 3% gain before turning back, and this one generated at least 2.5% before it turned back. All right, so let me just quickly show you something where there is a failed signal, like this one here. This was this one here, right here. This is a failed signal, because when it generated, it didn't even go in profit. I think if it went in profit, it only went about just a few, maybe 0.4% profit, and then turn back. All right, so let's say you didn't use a stop loss, or maybe you had to close when the because you can close the trade when the new signal forms in the opposite direction. So let's say for this trade here, if you took this buy right here, it failed, it quickly gave you the sell signal right here. All right, so what you do, you can go and check how much you lost. All right, or how many percent you lost. Like for this example, if you had taken the buy trade up here, a buy trade up here, and then it went south, all right, this was a losing trade of about 5%. So what you need to do on your next trade, if this was a 0.1 lot, you put a 0.2 lots on the next trade. We are going to use Martingale to manage the trades, which means if you put a 0.2 lots and you target the same distance, which was 5%, which you lost, if you target here, your target was going to hit right here. Your 5% was going to hit right here. All right, once you hit here your 5%, remember now you have doubled the lot, so it means you have also doubled the money. If this was $100 loss, it means now this is a $200 profit. You have gained a loss back, you recover the loss, and then you also gain a small profit on top. And then after your take profit is hit, now you can start entering using the 0.1 lot again, collecting profit. You can collect profit every time when a new box form or two box form, according to what you want and what time frame you are looking at. So this trading system is very, very powerful, guys. I want you to have this and I want you to contact me, but first like my video, guys, to encourage me to make more videos and show you and share with you guys a lot of trading strategies. So turn on the notification bell so that you know exactly when I post a new video. Maybe I'll be having a promotion for the trading system, or I'm giving away on the trading system. So for those who don't know about the trading system giveaway, you simply have to like the video, go to all my other videos and comment on them, also like the videos. All right, so once you do that, that's how you enter the winning competition if you want to win. So what you are winning here is the trading system. I'm going to give you a trading system so that you can use it. All right, so for you to get the trading system for free, first like this video and go to all my other videos and like them, and also give your comment on each video so that I will know. So I'm just going to do a random pick where I'm going to take someone from the comments. I will just check if you liked all my videos, if you also commented on all my videos, you stand a chance to win the trading system. So for those who don't want to, so this is actually for my true followers. All right, so I don't want someone who just joined this channel just because they want to win the trading system, because I'm not going to announce or to make a video for announcing the exact like I'm not going to make a video to announce someone who won, just for just a video to announce someone who won the trading system. I'm going to make the daily videos just the same way I do my videos, and in those videos you should watch them to the end, because in those videos I'm just going to announce. It's not going to be a specific video where I'm just going to make a special video for announcing someone. All right, but I'll just make a video in one of my videos, my coming videos. I'll announce who won the last the previous license. So you need to watch all my videos, guys, and turn on that notification bell so that you get also all those good tutorials that I always send, and you also stand a chance. So you don't have to, if you miss a video when I announce that you are the winner, in that case it means you lost the opportunity. All right, it will go to someone else. So you need to like all my videos in the past and comment on all my videos, positive comments please, and stand a chance you can win this trading system for free and start making consistent profits. This is something that is very useful. All right, it helps you to trade with it easy. You don't have to worry or to be afraid of posting trades or taking trades, or for whatever reason you don't need to be scared. So you should know one thing, that traders with confidence in their trading will always make money in the end, and those are the winners. All right, that's what determines or distinguish a losing trader and a winning trader. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys, and good luck with your trading. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment if you want to win the trading system. I'll give you one license for if you win, you win one license, so it cannot be reshared. So if you want a trading system, you don't want to win it, but you want it because there's a possibility that you won't win, because a lot of people will be also trying to win the same system. All right, so if you want to get the trading system, if you want to buy it, you can just contact me. I'll put my email address on the screen. Thank you again for watching, and peace. Good luck with your trading.